Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up the Bombay and Cedar Lifestyle box. It's pretty heavy this month. I think this is April. I opened it and peeked on top. Yep, we have the April Balance 2022 Lifestyle subscription. So Bombay and Cedar has several subscription box options. This is the monthly lifestyle. They also have a seasonal lifestyle box and a beauty box. It's all cruelty-free items. So they are a month behind. They have been for a while, but I do really like this box. So this is $49.95 a month. I will link them down below if you are interested in subscribing. But you get like 2 essential oils every month and then just kind of random like lifestyle items, but there's things I usually don't have already, so I find it very exciting. And I love that everything's cruelty free because I like to live that lifestyle. So yeah, I like this box. We're gonna see what we have today. I'm curious what's so heavy, but before we get started, welcome guys, or welcome back. My name is Kitty if you are new here. I love subscription boxes, so if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribed. I'm just so grateful you're here. So let's get to the box. So we have our card here. We know the theme is balance. Is this what's heavy? Yeah. What is this? I know once we got olive oil, and I actually still have it open. This looks like something like that. For a second, I thought it looked like wine, but I doubt it. Let's see. Oh my God, it's a bubbling bath. This is so fancy. It even has this little thing here with a tassel. It's so pretty. This is by Lolita Dream, white tea and honeysuckle. I love that it has this. This is gonna look so cute in my bathroom. And I mentioned this in a recent video. I just started taking baths. So this is good timing. Before I'd be like, oh, I just use it for decoration. But now I'm like actually gonna use it. And I think this is so pretty. Let's take a sniff. So white tea and honeysuckle. So there are variations with these boxes. You could have gotten this or a CBD oil tincture by Batch, which I actually have. I always forget to use it, but I do have it. So I'm glad I got this. It smells really good. And it's so cute. Okay. See, I love getting stuff like from this box. I don't have anything like this, and it's so cute. Perfect for home. Definitely lifestyle. I love that little charm on it. Okay, let's keep going. Next, what is this? Memory game. Ooh, I like games. Plus, doing stuff like this is great for like keeping your mind sharp. But it looks so cute too. This is something like a game you can keep out. It like looks like decor too. So this is another variation item. You could have gotten this memory game or start with a word guided journal. I do love journals too, but I just got some new ones. Okay, so. What do you do? Oh, maybe, do you like put this into a puzzle? Okay, let me just read, because I really don't get it. Memory game. Oh my God, like memory for adults. Remember when you were a kid, you had to pick out 2 that were like matching? Oh my God, I get it now. Whoa, it's been a while. Like 2-year-old me understood the game, but 34-year-old me. This is cute. So you can even play this with your kids if you want it, but it's like the grown-up version. It's so pretty. I did not expect that. I was thinking, I don't know what I thought it would be, but like a third eye or something. Cool. Oh, I already use these. Sometimes you might notice I have these on in my video already, so I'm happy to get more. I've been using them seriously every day, and I really like it. What box did I get it in? I'm blanking, but this is the Friendly Patch company Zen patches. So it has like ashwagandha in it, GABA, magnesium, gotu kola. I don't know if that's how you say it. Gotu kola, L-theanine, eucalyptus oil, and hot flower powder. So I like get really tense, especially when I'm like busy and doing a lot of stuff. So when I got this, I was super excited. I still can't remember where I got it, but I thought there was only 7 patches in here. No, this is like a full month supply. There's 7 sheets of 4, so it's 28, so like a full month. I don't have one on. I'm glad I got this as a reminder. And it's all natural ingredients. I think it helps, but I don't know. I take magnesium already, like the Calm, like I think Wellness by Calm or Calm is the brand. I have the magnesium gummies I take at night to try and sleep better. So when I saw this, I was like, yes. And I've been wanting to try ashwagandha. And so far I think it helps, but I've only used like 4 or 5 patches. I got this really recently, but I'm excited to get more. So you could have gotten this or a tongue cleaner, which I remember I got that a long time ago and I thought it was weird, and I don't know what happened to it. I got lost in the move. I never used it. I don't know, but now I like am curious about that again. But I'm still happy I got this because I really am into vitamins and stress relief and all of that. I do love that we get a snack, and it's always vegan in every box. So this is by Ace Blend, raw chocolate, Daily Essentials, Natural Nourisher, 20 grams of complete plant protein, multi-grains, natural antioxidants. So I think this is, yeah, it's like a protein shake. Nice. 20 grams of protein, that's awesome. So you just tear off the seal and add 300 milliliters of cold water. And you can shake it or use a blender and consume instantly. And then it has everything on here. So it also has green tea in it, and like spinach and all these other greens. I love this kind of stuff, so I'm excited about that. It's more like a meal than it's like breakfast, not a snack. So looks like we have a piece of jewelry. Everyone got this accessory by Canvas. Is this a bracelet? Oh, interesting. So this is like a little, looks like a pop. Do you guys say pop or soda? I feel like everyone says soda, but I say pop can top. This is different, but it's cute. I have always liked that chained look, and this makes it a little different. And it looks like you could have gotten a variety. We all got a piece, or like a jewelry piece or accessory by Canvas, excuse me. But yeah, we all got one, but there's a few variations between $26 and $40. Nice. And we got a book. Make Your Own Beauty Mask. Not a book, but equally exciting. Includes 10 sheet masks, 38 simple all-natural recipes for healthy skin. No matter your skin type, oily, dry, normal, combination, these easy recipes are designed to meet your skincare needs. So they include sheets. And then do we have to add our own other things? Let's look in the, oh, so there is a book in here too. Get two. I love books. Pumpkin spice tea latte. So you have to use stuff from home, it looks like, but they provide the sheets in the recipe book. And they talk about like what the benefits are of things. I love this kind of stuff. Hello you very much. Strawberry shake it up, Bananarama. I do have bananas. That's the only thing I've eaten today so far, my breakfast. This is cool. I think this is fun. It's like an activity, a book, and skincare. So awesome. And this everyone received. And then last but not least, we have our essential oil roll-ons. They used to be just oils, but now we get the roll-ons, which is, I'm fine with that. So we have Balance, which goes with the theme of the box, and Comfort. Balance has cypress and lavender. And then the Comfort has lavendin. Is that like lavender and something else? And peppermint. They're both 10 ml. And these are by Bombay and Cedar. Let's see. What is the difference between lavendin and lavender? I don't know. Does anyone know what lavendin is? It must be a plant. Smells good, mostly like peppermint, and let's smell the other one, cypress and lavender. Very earthy, which is, people think of earth signs as like grounded and balanced. I'm an earth sign, but sometimes I feel like I'm like way up there. Awesome. So I'm excited. I thought this was a good box. I always enjoy it. Like, can you see? Like, it's different things. Like, okay, but I think let's do a little wrap up. I think I got the most excited about this. Oh my God. Okay, if you guys know me for a long time, you probably have heard me say that there's a specific number that I see all the time. I literally see it so many times a day. I used to record it in my journal and say what was happening when I saw it, but then the numbers were getting up to like, I would see it every hour, I'd just see it everywhere, and it's the number 56, and this is $56. Yeah. So it's a sign. This is, you are the favorite Lilia. Dream white tea honeysuckle bubble bath. It's so cute and I can't wait to put it in my bathroom. I already have like crystals around my bathtub and stuff. This will be perfect. So yeah, this is a winner and the 56 just confirmed it. That's like my spirit guides being like, girl, go relax, take a bath, enjoy your new goodies. And I hope you guys enjoy your day. I'll stop rambling. I enjoy this box. Let me know your thoughts down below. Again, it will be linked. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you consider doing so. Stick around so I can see you in the next video. Have a great long weekend, guys. I love you so much. Bye.